Hi, my name is Adrienne. I make food content here on YouTube. I am participating in my first ever hop hosted by Sonia over at Domestic Diva. I'm really excited to be a part of this, and if you guys need dinner inspiration and dinner motivation to cook for your family, hit that subscribe button. I have got 3 delicious chicken recipes starting out with a really budget-friendly pantry staple meal. You'll need some stovetop stuffing, green beans, can of cream of mushroom soup, and some chicken breasts. I'm going to season it up with a little bit of thyme to make it extra special and a splash of white wine. Let me show you how I put it together. I love an easy cast iron skillet meal. This combination of thyme, white wine, and garlic goes really well together. I am preheating my oven to 350 degrees. I will finish cooking it until the internal temperature reaches 165 on an instant read thermometer. This was tasty, savory, and delicious, and I bet you guys will really like it as well. The next meal I have for you is my version of French onion chicken. You will need some chicken breasts, some Parmesan cheese, some beef consomme, onion, thyme, parsley, oregano, and 2 tablespoons of flour, some butter, and white wine. I didn't end up using the chicken stock. I am going to saute my onions for about 25 minutes until they're nice and golden brown, and then I will remove them. I will season up my chicken and get that nice and brown and all the way cooked through, and then I will make my sauce out of the flour, some more butter, and the beef consomme, and this was so good. I served it over a bed of white rice, and this is such a hit in our house. My husband and I really, really like it. Alright, that's it for my video. I am sending my link to Claire at Easily Influenced Mama. Domestic Diva, aka Sonia, thank you so much for hosting and letting me join in this first hop. I hope everybody is staying happy, healthy, and safe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys!